done. Thank you very much for watching my video. Today we are going to go briefly introduction about Ben Gold Trader EA. You can check my website, and today I'm going to show you the automatic robot that I have created to help my users. This robot is only for my users who purchase the system. The system will contain first the signal extractor and the both EA. It's optimized for reading signals from Telegram of Ben and to MT5. First of all, I want to assure you you have to rent the VPS through my website. You just go to rent VPS and you can choose the package here, which is the best company I have dealing with. It's since 10 years. It's stable, have very good servers. You can we will use this for our trading system. Make sure you have to choose United States East. So this is the best location to get the best, the low latency, to get the exact price once we are trading. And you have to choose the Windows, what we are going to rent our server. You see the price for month is only $16. And after adjusting this, as you see here, I already purchased the server. I'm going to log in it using remote desktop. Now, as you see, we have the two EAs and the trade signal file. Our robot have been optimized and programmed by me. It took me hours and days to help only my users. It's outstanding for my users to help them create multiple users for backtesting. As you know, my utility is for extracting signals from Ben group to the MT5 and also optimizing the trades. You can choose a preference, a multi-settings. So if you want to backtest it for 2 weeks until you find the optimal settings, you have to create multiple users on the server and choose your preferred broker. So I'm going to show you now. It's gonna be easy now. From now you don't have to handle it and make a lot of accounts. It's really easy now. The robot will do all this for you. Now let's run the bot. You can just find it inside my installation here, download. After you click download, you can download the entire files. Now let's run to the EA automatic launch for setting and launching the 5 accounts for Ben. You will see how much it's easy and optimized only for my users. Now you have to input the license key, which is I provided you. You can purchase the license for 2 months. I give you an outstanding price. It's only $50. You can test it for all the first full 2 months access. It's free, or you can purchase the lifetime access, and this only is for the VPS that like I show you. You just have to pay it through Wise. You can choose it. You can just try my EA for only $50 for 2 months. After that, I will provide you the license key. Now let's input the license key for first our program. Like I will show you what it will do. Then the program is launched now. As you see, this is the administrator account we are logging now. You see here, you just have to run the program automatic launch on it and run it as an administrator, and it will start now to create the users for you. The first user, it will be for reading signals, and all of users, the other users, bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4, bin 5, these are only for testing multiple strategies for you. So now you see the bot is running and creating the users. You have to wait. It's created now the first user, which is Ben 1, and it's going to create Ben 2, Ben 3, Ben 4, Ben 5. And also I would like to tell you that I have a feature on the bot that it will disable also the automatic restart for the VPS, so it will work 24 hours all the time. So this will make sure also that it will disable the automatic restart during the updates. So we don't want that, because we want the server running 24 hours for reading the signals. Now it's created the Ben 1, Ben 2, Ben 3, then it will go to Ben 4, then Ben 5. Now it has created mostly all the users. The only thing it will create now the Ben 5 user, which also we need all these users to test the bots on multiple strategies. Now, after creating those 6 users, this user for exporting signals from Telegram to MP5, it will be on. And these users, you can test multiple strategies. It's really easy. You know how the program is, the bot is going to do. Now it will tell you, first of all, I would remind you to install your preferred broker you want to deal with. I use, especially for me, IC markets. And now the bot, it will tell you what choice you want to copy and install all the brokers on these 5 accounts. You can choose the FTM. I don't want FTM. I will choose the next one, which is IC markets. It's in the program file, so you have to install first your broker before running the bot MT5 auto launch, so it can copy all the install for you all the preferred broker on all of these accounts. You can see now. So now I will choose IC markets from option 2, then I press enter. You just have to make it easy, like I show you. This is the Ben 1 user. We just close this tab and this tab and close the connection, integrated connection from here. Then okay, then it's going to launch also the Ben 2 for the same thing. It will create the user profile service for the Windows and auto login to the server. So those accounts will be used for you. So if you want to backtest multiple strategies to find your best optimal settings, because some of my members chooses some settings, maybe you want to choose more, like load size, like moving the TP more slower or more out of the range, adjusting the stop loss and such. So now, as you see, it's really easy. You have just to close the tabs like I show you. We close this, we prepare it, and this, and now we close the connection from here. Don't forget to not move the cursor all the way up. We just want to close only the internal connection from here. Then it will move to Ben 3. It will prepare the login and user profile service as well. So the user will be connecting to the server 24 hours without any stop. As you see, as I told you, it's really easy steps. It will save a lot of time on you, and it is optimized actually and programmed to help my only users who purchase the EA. So as you see, the Ben 3 has been created. We just close these tabs and this tab and just close this. Now it's gonna connect to Ben 4, the same thing. Prepare the user profile and such. So So these users will be used for testing multiple strategies. The broker you will choose from the first option, like I show you, it will be also integrated to all of these users. I advise people, for myself, to use IC markets because they have the best spread, almost zero, if you run on a raw account without any spread. So for myself, I always choose IC markets. And then we close it from here, and then we close the connection from here. Then it will move automatically to bin 5, creating the user profile for bin 5. As I show you, now you have only to close the server tab, the server manager tab, and other tabs. We just want to close it, so make it easy on you. So we close this and this, then we close the connection from here. Don't move the cursor, as I said, for above. We don't want to close the main connection, we just want to close the internal connection. So we close the bin 5 now. Now the program have verified all user sessions that are connected to the same server. Now it will created the shortcuts for each broker on the connection, and it will automatically also as well run the program. As you see, it will connect to the first account now to run the broker, because we want to prepare all the necessary files for our broker on each user. Now it's also opening the first broker on the first user. As you see, you don't want to do anything, you just want only to close this tab. We close it from here. Then it will also connect next thing to the next user, which is bin 2, because it will going to run and launch the broker on each user. So as you see, it is automatically, I'm not doing anything, it's very automatically, and it will going to launch MT5, MetaTrader 5, on the next user. We just, as I told you, to close this tab, and it will move to the next user. As you see, now it's on bin 3, and it's going to launch the MetaTrader on it now to prepare it for you. No hassle, to save time on you, because if you want to move all the EAs to each one, it will cost you some time. So this one, it will save you a lot of time. So now we close it from here, and it's gonna be now going to bin 4. Okay, now as you see, it's on bin 4, and it's launching the broker of bin 4 automatically. As you see, it's already launched it, so we want to close from this, and it's gonna move now to the last user, which is bin 5. Now it's going to launch the MetaTrader as well on the last user, which is bin 5. So we have bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4, bin 5. You can have the full 2 months access. For my EA, you can test multiple strategies until you be satisfied for the results, and you will get a good amount of money, profit, and such. So now it's run the last user. So enjoy. Now it's going to move all the robots files to each user, and also the trade signals file on each user. You don't have to do it manually. It's automatically now have done everything. So it moved and copy this entire to all of the bin users. Now if you want to check to see all users are connected or not, we just want to click the task manager, then go to users, and bingo, you see bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4, bin 5 are all running, and this user is for only exporting trades from Telegram to MT5. You have to run the other one, so it will be on 24 hours. Now let's go, for example, to bin 3 to see if the bots are there and the trading signal. The password, the normal password is 777 for all users. You just go OK. Let's connect to the user bin 3 and see. Now as you see, it's already opened the broker for you. Let's go to the experts and see if they are there. Wow, they are there. Okay, and very nice. They copied everything, and also you can check the trade signals. Also, it's in already there in files folder, MQL5 files folder. You see the trade signals is there. So now you can test multiple strategies on gold for our EA. First of all, you have to create demo accounts for each one. Create a demo account for each user, and then you can connect to each user by right click on task manager, and then go to users and choose which user you want to go with it. Enjoy, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a like and follow, and if you are willing to try my EA, you can just try it for first 2 months for $50 or purchase it lifetime. I have a lot of members who are satisfied with the EA and the results. If you want also to know more about the settings of the both bots that we have, the old one and the new one, you can check my previous videos. Thank you very much and enjoy, and I hope you will be successful in trading.